Breaking news, new charges against the man accused of killing a deputy in Virginia. Michael Puckett made his first appearance in a Carroll County courtroom today. He's accused of shooting two deputies who were conducting a welfare check at a home on Fancy Gap Highway. 31-year-old Deputy Logan was killed. We'll have more on how the community is remembering Deputy in just a moment. But first, our cameras were the only cameras allowed inside the Carroll County courtroom today as the man accused of killing Deputy Logan appeared in court on that charge for the first time. Morning reporter Erin Burnett was the only reporter inside that courtroom, and she breaks down what happened.
It was so quiet inside that courtroom. You could literally even hear a pin drop as folks waited for Michael Puckett to appear virtually from a Virginia jail for those charges that stemmed from the death of Deputy Logan. The courtroom fell silent as Puckett appeared on that screen, and deputies filled the side gallery. You could see they were carrying the weight of grieving one of their own and watching the proceedings. The judge informed Puckett that if convicted, he could face life in prison. Puckett is facing multiple felony charges, including aggravated murder of a law enforcement officer in the death of 31-year-old Deputy Logan, attempted capital murder of a law enforcement officer for the shooting of a second deputy who responded to the welfare check as well at that home along Fancy Gap Highway. He also faces felony firearm charges. He wasn't supposed to have a gun in the first place, given his previous felony offense. The judge granted Puckett a court-appointed attorney, but he will remain behind bars in a Virginia jail because he's being held without bond. He'll be back in a Virginia courtroom in July. In Carroll County, I'm Erin Burnett, WXAI 12 News.
Thank you, Erin. And as you just saw inside of that courtroom, a massive show of support in Virginia from law enforcement and first responders as they continue to honor fallen Deputy Logan. Jack Doherty joins us now with more on the procession.
Deputy Utt's procession traveled from Roanoke through Carroll County all the way to Mount Airy, North Carolina.
This was just a wellness check. I mean, they do those, daily, checking to see if everything's okay with somebody. And this one, the man opened fire and killed one of the officers. Just horrible.
Families coming together, especially the law enforcement family, coming together in difficult times as this, to see anybody die in a line of duty or any death period, but a line of duty death is hard on any agency and their family.
In the first responder community, we're all family, so when one hurts, we all hurt, and we just want to show our support for his family and the Carroll County Sheriff's Office. Make sure they know that they're not alone.
Here on the overpass at exit 109 in Radford, dozens of first responders and local law enforcement came out to show support and respect for their fallen brother.
This is the way it should look. When you got officers who down the line of duty, every agency around the Commonwealth ought to show up. Now, I know it's difficult on some agencies, some are further away, but this is the way it should look. When somebody sacrifices or give of themselves.
It's always hard, but it's always warm to know that the law enforcement community stands by their own.
It's not a surprise to see the overwhelming support, so that's good. It's unfortunate, so it's not what we want to see, what we want to do, but there's no doubt that we all show up for it.
Deputy Utt was only 31 years old.
The town of Hillsville, Virginia is honoring Deputy Utt with memorial bows. Anyone who would like to display one can pick them up with a donation starting this afternoon. Just head to Town Hall on North Main Street between 1 and 4:30 p.m. All proceeds directly support Deputy Utt's family. We'll continue to provide you updates on this investigation into the shooting, along with ways that the community is stepping in to honor Deputy Utt and his family. You can find complete coverage on our mobile app and website.